Now we'll examine how to change directions from forward to backward motion. We call this direction change a roll through. And as we begin, you're going to want to keep your eye on this line. That's where our model group is going to be changing directions.
5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and close. Cool.
Okay, let's take a closer look at what's going on.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
On their last step forward, the group is still exaggerating the forward technique by articulating on the edge of the heel. And in this freeze frame, the technique is so consistent that it's not really apparent that they're about to change directions. Then they roll through the last count of the phrase. They're also continuing to push off with the back foot as it peels up to that pointed perpendicular position. Now, in order to change directions and go backward, they need to finish the roll through by pushing off with the ball of that front foot and re-articulating the back foot, which is already pointed and perpendicular, exactly what's required by a backward technique articulation. And by this point, they've successfully changed directions and they're headed backward with great technique. Let's review all of those steps again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
On the last count of the forward phrase, they articulate on the back edge of the heel. They roll through with the front foot and continue to peel up and follow through with the back foot. And as you can see, at the end of that roll up, the back foot comes up slightly and then re-articulates to begin the backward phrase. They're also engaging their core muscles the entire time so that their upper bodies remain aligned and strong during the direction change. Let's watch the whole thing again without interruption.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and close.
Let's get another perspective and watch the entire move again. The phrase will play 3 times, and we can watch for several things here. For example, did they finish the forward phrase before they changed directions? In other words, is the last step forward articulated on the edge of the heel, and does it follow through so that that back foot peels up to perpendicular before they re-articulate and change directions? Also, do they begin the backward phrase with correct technique, right on the first count? In other words, is their first step backward pointed perpendicular on the articulation, and do they have energy as they push off with the ball of the front foot on the direction change? And of course, do they maintain correct pulse as they execute the direction change? Consistent rhythmic subdivision should be evident in their feet the entire time.
Try one more time. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's 1, 5, and back. Sweet. Try one more time. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's 1, 5, and back. Sweet. Try one more time. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's 1, 5, and back.